What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tyrekejt here and I am back with another reaction video for you. What go on people, your boy Tyrekejt there straight out of Jamaica and Jamaica mother still. But anyways, we're back with another reaction video. Now, I want to say Happy New Year to everyone and thank you all for subscribing to my channel. Like, I'm 5 subscribers away from hitting 3,400. But anyways, enough talking. Tamale Sparta. Underpants. Under Vibes. Official music video reaction. Like, finally, some music video drop so I can react. Enough talking. Tamale Sparta Under Vibes. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you all are new. Support the yard, man. Let's go. Tommy. Lee. Boss Lady music. First time hearing about that. Boss Lady music. But anyways, enough chattings. The video will go on. That's from Tamale Sparta. You already see the pre for the music video here, you know. A full enjoyment, the man saying, you know. You see me, I said the video dropped last night when we were outside a party, you know, for the New Year's, you know. But anyways, go show. Yeah. No vibes. Always want to undo voice on that. Wait. Tommy have the mask. Tommy have the mask on, people. Tommy have the mask on, people. Tommy has the mask on, people. Ready now. Wait, I want to go down too. I want to. Yeah. Whoa. I would do a satire low to the girls them I do already. I don't know, I'm looking for the video them already, so I go back. Was she there? Was she there? Was she there? Let me see it. Well, no, that one. Was she there? Was she there? Yeah. Whoa. That's what we're looking for in the music video, guys. Let us see what's going on. Make us see what she do with now. Oh, you don't know what that we look for. Anyways, we're on the video. Wow! She attacked to me, the people. She attacked to me, the people. Let me tell. Let me calm it down. No, this is not work. Sorry, Tommy. She attacked to me, no. She attacked like she said, Tyrekejt. Whoa, you won! And that wake up. I saw me one wake up too. I saw me one wake up in the morning too. Boom! Whoa! What? Money can't done. Money refill. We no go let's snap up 100 mil. Me nah lie. It's nice. It's very nice to see Tamale enjoying himself, yo. You see me? I said that. I'm talk again. You know, there's my man there depending on that. Them man there eat that in that. That's why I'm talking. Oh, Tamale talking I miss that video. I don't know. Alright, come video time. The man enjoy himself, dog. I like to that. I like to that. Whoa. Hennessy. Drop top. BMW. The man enjoy himself. You see why I can't react to the order them only me have to react to the music video? Because it's more fun. But anyways, we're under vibes, you know. Under vibes, you know. I drink out of my water bottle and we're under vibes, you know. We're under vibes. Subscribe to the channel if you don't know subscribe yet. Because you know what? Under vibes. Happy birthday, Sparta and King. Whoa. Yeah. What? My one in the clown. Why me I go on so? I know someone acting. You understand? You have to see with me. But another level. Whoa. Hold on. You see that girl that spin on the board a while ago? Who does the woman spin on the board a while ago? She there? want to see her in a slow motion, the still, me nah lies, you know. If I'm lying, I'm dying. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Mama bad. Got you. Yeah. Yeah. Well, them. Deaf. The man that's like, oh, fuck. The girl that bad on that video too much. That's the fact that I see Tamale enjoy himself. You know, I'm always look for the girl that I twerk and everything already, you know. But the fact that Tamale enjoy himself so much, yo, the video just lies. The video just lively. Guys, if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe. You see me I say? You see me I say? Ready. Who that be there though? Who that be there? Are you woman that Tammy? Me don't know Tammy woman. Me not follow artists, you know. Me not follow artists. For Instagram, me not follow nobody who famous. Me follow regular people, so me don't know nothing. But I woman that, me don't know. But anyways, got you. Well, now would that be there though? She not too much scene, I'm more Tammy and Aki. Yeah? Yeah. Hold on, you hear man say anything go up and him take it. You think the man a lie? Any stage show performance where Tamale go up him control it, him are the best performer. Remember me telling her that. Because the man have it like that. You see me I say, oh the man deliver him song them. Alright now, let's say 2019, the man for run away 2019 right now because the man a go hard now the music. The man a full joy himself, people. And now vibes on me. What kind of handicap move that me do? You know what? Tammy and a car, you know? Who is she? Somebody tell me who is she in the comment section. I don't know them people. I don't know she. Yeah. Okay, apparently that video they shoot on his birthday celebration then. Because me see that say happy birthday Spartan King. You deaf? Why do you enough chatting? Like the man a full jar, man a dog. Oh. Yeah. Stepping out the place. I mean. Under vibes. Under vibes. Tammy, take it over with that video. But anyways, people, it's been a boy Ty and another lit reaction. So you know what you guys need to do? Subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. And like the video. And more reaction will come for you soon. Right now, Javelin drop a video. I'm going to react to it right now. It's been a boy Ty, guys. Catch you in the next video. I'm going to post it a couple hours from that one here. Not even hours, probably 30 minutes from now. Because I'm that quick. Peace out.